going to show you now just a simple video to make an extension wire for the USB outlet. This is the outlet that I have. I'm going to replace 12 volt socket with this one, but I need an extension wire. So I got some 16 gauge wire, of course a wire stripper, cutter, whatever, some heat shrink, some connectors, and possibly maybe some cable ties to tie it all together if necessary. We'll see how that works out. Just clean this up a little bit. I only need, start with the black wire, I only need a couple of inches, just a short wire, so just see, just a cheaper wire cutter, but as long as it works, it's fine with me. And then a red one, try to make it as similar as possible in length. Okay, there we go. Now we have two similar length wires. Now we got these two. Then we'll start with the male ones first. Normally you have to be careful to put the heat shrink on first, but since I'm just working on one side of the equation, it's not a big problem. The wire should stick out a little bit here, but not too much, but it should be visible at least somewhat. Hopefully that the wire crimper works better than the cutter. I think so. This really makes a good connection. You can see that the wires are completely flat, so it works fine. And we'll do the second one. I'll put that in the crimper first. You can, you see this printer has a blue indicator, so that's for the size, and that's size 14 to 16. That's more or less standard. This too makes a good connection. So what I'll do now is get the two heat shrink that I'm going to use, and I hope, because it was just barely the right size, so I hope I can still put it on top of it. Yeah, I think so. I'll put one here, then The heat shrink is not really necessary, but yeah, I'm trying to make it as nice looking as possible. So then I got a heat gun, and let's see, put it on the low heat. By putting it on the wide side of the wire, where the connector is, make sure that that's impossible to move anymore. So what I'll do is I'll use a cable wire, small one. Yeah, I'll probably just do it because I still have to give it some ability to move around a little bit, at least at the ends. That's this one. That one off. And then another one. We'll put it together first. So we have a small extension wire, which for practical purposes will be connected on one side to the new USB outlet. This one as well, like this. You see? And then the other one will go to the current connector in the car. That's all there is.